Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Chrysler 300 screen. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's battery, typically located in the trunk, to prevent any electrical shorts. Next, using a plastic pry tool, gently unclip and remove the AC control panel. This usually just pops out without screws. Remember to lay a soft cloth over your dash to protect it from any accidental scratches during the removal process. Taking these initial steps carefully will make the rest of the job much smoother. Now, with the AC panel out of the way, you can access the main dash bezel that surrounds the screen. Use your plastic pry tool to carefully work around the edges, releasing the clips that hold it in place. Once the bezel is loose, gently pull it away from the dash and disconnect all the electrical harnesses attached to its backside. After the bezel is fully removed, you will see the radio unit. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws holding it in position. With the 4 screws removed, you can now carefully pull the entire radio unit forward, allowing access to the various connectors at the back of the screen. Take a moment to observe or even photograph the connections for easier reassembly. Disconnect all the wiring harnesses. Some may have small tabs or lever-style locks that need to be pressed or rotated. Finally, locate and remove the 4 screws that directly secure the screen to its mounting bracket, and then you can carefully lift the screen out. To reassemble, simply reverse the steps, ensuring every electrical connection is firmly in place and all screws are tightened. Before snapping all the trim pieces back, reconnect your battery and power on the vehicle to test the screen and all its functions. Make sure everything is working correctly. And hey, while you're upgrading your car's interior, why not make it smell great too? Check the description for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to enhance your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.